Hello everyone, welcome to another lab. In this lab, we are going to connect fiber optic cables. Here is the scenario. You are working on a small office or home office network. You have just signed up for a fiber internet access for the network. The fiber company has installed the line into your home and given you a pre-configured router for your network. Your task in this lab is to, as listed. So in order to do this, let's carefully watch or closely follow the instruction that's given to us. Again, if you are following the series of this lab, you already know what the type of other lab that we already did. If this is your first lab that you just come to this side, this is actually pre-configured router, which means you don't need to do anything. The only thing you need to do here is to make connection, get the cables, just connecting the thing together. That is what we are doing right here. So let's do that. The first instruction says connect the component to make the network connection. So we have to follow one by one. First, add the fiber router to workspace. Where we get that from, as always, get from under inventory. So under network device, that is the only one. We just grab that one here. And then after that, connect the router to ISP fiber line using the SC to AC cables. Again, it's given to us. We don't have to worry about, oh, which type of cable that we have to connect to that because it's straightforward. They already mentioned there. So in order to do that, we have to turn it back. The router, I just want to a little bit make it zoom in to clearly see what we are looking for. And then so you see right there, that's where we have to connect because you can check all the connection, or you can go under the cables, and as the name already mentioned, it's SC to SC. So that's what we have to connect. So if you grab that one other side to connect to the router, and the other side, we have to connect that to the wall because it's already right there. And we grab that and connect to that. So that will conclude the second step that we already take over there. And the other part is we have to connect the computer to the fiber router using Cat-CA internet cable. How we can able to do that is, as the name already mentioned, so we have to turn it back the computer to the back side. I'll load a bit, let's make it bigger, that hopefully enough. And then we have to get the Cat 6A as this mentioned, and then we have to grab that one and connect one side to the computer and the other side to router. So if you closely see, this is only the RJ45, that 4 cables. We can connect to any one of that. It doesn't matter which one you connect as far as one of that. So that is it for this step. Then use the AC to DC power, which is alternative currency to direct currency power, adapted to plug the router into power. Again, we go back to under cables, and as we see, there's only one power. Actually, we have to connect that one to power strip right there. Connect that to the power strip, and then the other side to the, if you closely see that, also you can find the power connector is right there. All right, so after that is very much, that's it for that connection. But you can, to just make sure you've done everything correctly, you can check if the computer is actually connected to the internet, which is already right there. And then as we do all the time, we can confirm this with scoring the lab. Let's do that. All right, as you see, we are successfully passed or score 100%. That means we've done everything correctly. Thank you for watching. If you wasn't subscribed to our channel yet, please subscribe to our channel. See you in next live.